To use the Fifth Third Bank branch locator, start by visiting the Fifth Third Bank website. Once on the website, click on the Locations tab at the top of the page. This will take you to the branch locator page where you can search for branches by city, state, or zip code. Enter your location in the search bar and click the search button. The branch locator will then provide a list of nearby branches, along with their addresses, phone numbers, and hours of operation. You can also filter your search by selecting specific services such as ATM, drive-through, or weekend hours. To get directions to a branch, click on the branch name and then click the Get Directions link. This will open a map showing the location of the branch and provide step-by-step directions from your current location. You can also use the Fifth Third Bank mobile app to find branches on the go. Simply download the app, log into your account, and click on the Locations tab to access the branch locator. Best practices for using the branch locator include using your current location to get the most accurate results and filtering your search by services to find a branch that meets your needs. By following these steps, you can easily find and get directions to a Fifth Third Bank branch near you.